Hello, my name is Alejandro Lopez. Good afternoon to ABC News. Today I would like to present several news that have happening in the world and in our city. The first the second first is the next Sunday, May 2021. There will we have a marathon to benefit New Hope Home. This half marathon is organized by the famous Mexican runner Ana Guevara. The participants must purchase their ticket directly at New Hope Home to make their donation. Age of the participants has to run or walk without stopping. They must not make a stop of more than 5 minutes. They must not use toxic substances. The race began at Rufino Tamayo Park in San Pedro on May 21 at 7 a.m. Participants must arrive at least 10 minutes 10 minutes early. The second tour, Neymar continues to talk to Brazilian media about his aspiration to play for Tigres of Mexico. He plans he plans to reach an agreement with the Tigres board when his contract at Barcelona expires. He recognizes that André Pierre Guignat is a talented player and would like to play alongside him. Tired, Luisito Comunica traveling to Los Angeles on a new adventure. He hasn't known much about the city. He started the adventure by changing his president. In this adventure, he has been learning a lot about this city. He has started with a lot of coding, a bit of vertigo. He gone on a mini helicopter to witness the enormity of Los Angeles, and he has realized that it is not so easy to location the Hollywood things. Traveling, he has been going, so he has decided to rent a bike, and he has also decided to go surfing. And finally, for Selena Quintanilla was a singer-songwriter known as the queen of the Tex-Mex, cumbia, and Latin music. Selena died at the age of 22 on March 31, 1995 from a bullet impact from a gun fired by Yolanda Saldivar, who, who was the president of her fan club and the manager of the clothing stores of Selena. The story was the product of an argument bearing the singer and Yolanda who had been embezzling funds from Selena Boutique and definitely her fans. Thank you very much. And finally, presentation.